They tell you it's coming for your job. Your skill in coding, graphic designing, even counting are become worthless. You are told that you can't compete, you will be replaced, and your future is bleak. But what if they all are missing one thing entirely? Assalamu alaikum, this is Hassan Balaj. Welcome in this new video. This fear is not new. Long before, when ChatGPT was a household name, Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, gave us this playbook. He said, don't memorize things harder. A computer can do it better than you. Don't try to calculate faster. A calculator can do much faster than you do. So, try to be creative. Try to be innovative. Try to be constructive. Anything you do, ask to yourself, is this thing make me more creative? Is this thing make me more innovative? Is this thing make me more constructive? Today, its thought process is relevant 100% in this AI revolution because it changes the game. AI shifted the game from memorization to adopting it and generating something new and trying to fix the problem which is present in the society. Long before, when electricity came, people afraid about losing their job. But just imagine how you can survive in this era today without electricity. It's quite impossible. The same case when internet came, people afraid and they afraid of losing their jobs. But today, memorize, think, imagine what will be the world without internet. The first question when you travel and go somewhere else, we ask this, is there internet? So look, every innovation brings fear and opportunities. So this AI revolution will not devalue the human values. Indeed, this fight is not between you and artificial intelligence, but fear versus opportunity. It's up to you. You will take it as an opportunity or as a fear. If you take it as an opportunity, you will thrive in this market. But if you figure out, if you think it will be your biggest enemy, then you know what will be the result. But there will not be any return when you realize this thing that it's too late. So my dear, remember this innovation, this revolution, this era has just started few years before, after the launch of ChatGPT, a generative AI model. So remember my last point, the future is for leaders and creators will be the leader of this century, of this era. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet with another question, another concept in upcoming videos. Till the end, keep yourself calm. Bye bye. We will meet. Assalamu alaikum.